Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share easy and healthy oil-free ragi soup which is good for all age groups and can be used in all seasons. This soup is healthy, nutritious, filling. It keeps you full for longer period and is an ideal food for obese people. They can skip their breakfast or dinner with this healthy filling soup. This nutritious soup is good for growing children, pregnant and lactating women, diabetic and hypertensive people. Here the main ingredient is ragi or finger millet. It is gluten-free staple food with low glycemic index. It is rich source of calcium, iron, vitamin C, D and B complex. I have already uploaded the health benefits of ragi and few ragi recipes. The link is in the description box below. If you are interested, please check the link. Let us prepare oil-free ragi soup. In a saucepan, heat 1 cup of water. For this, add 1 carrot finely chopped and 5 to 8 finely chopped beans. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Close the lid and put it to simmer and allow it to cook. At the same time, take 1 spoon of organic ragi flour. Add little water and mix it to prevent lumps. Now the vegetable is cooked now. For this, add ragi mixture. Give a nice mix. Add rock salt to taste, pepper powder and cumin powder and a pinch of asafoetida or hing and stir it till the ragi cooks nicely. Once it starts boiling, boil for 1 minute. Now put off the flame and add half cup of thick coconut milk. We have to add coconut milk at the end. Very healthy, nutrition rich ragi soup is ready to serve. Serve your family healthy food. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.